Okay, we're going to talk about beveling the feet. Most dancers, they've heard the word sickle. They have so many teachers that say, don't sickle your feet. Well, are we ever teaching them the opposite, which is to bevel the foot? So let's go over what a sickled foot is the wrong way. So go ahead and sickle where her ankles are rotating inward. They're inverting and her toes, everything is misaligned. So this is going to put undue stress on her ankles, on all of the ligaments that come through her bones into the metatarsals. So the opposite of sickling is beveling, where we're going to really press. I want you to put together right here. So we've got these bones pressing together, and she's going to try and create as much space between here as possible. So we get the kind of the neck of the foot is just angling out. So she has a really nice bevel here. Okay, really focusing on the toes remaining flat, that our dancers aren't crunching their toes. Show me a crunch toe. See, we don't want to crunch, we want to extend the toes. So most dance teachers, we're always saying, point your toes. Well, that's wrong. It's extend your foot. So this is what we want to see. Now, something that is very helpful, make sure that their knees are straight. Just take one hand and gently press out for 20, 30 seconds. And then take a reverse. Whenever we flex, we want them to feel that same bevel is working, that same foot shape. Getting them to feel the difference between the bevel flex and a parallel flex. Go ahead and rotate just straight up. So parallel, teach them that their knee is pointing straight up. Now rotate out, watch the entire leg shift out, because the rotation doesn't happen from here. Rotation happens back here in the hip. Wherever changes in the hips and the pelvis region will change down here. So let's go ahead and take this and let's show up top. So go ahead and stand up in first position. Just give me a demi-plie. And now go ahead and rise to releve. Okay, so right here we've got a releve, and you've got really good balance. But so teachers, you want to check right here that it's not bending in. So what would a sickle look like? Well, letting them rotate out. No. Yep, there's our sickle. Okay, so now when it rotates in and you're pressing in, you're aligning all of the bones, the big toe, the ankles, and the knees. You're fine, you're doing a good job. Okay, and so when you press up and in, that's when you're really going to be working that bevel. That's when you can stick any position as long as you need to. So teach the bevel. One last thing, B+, where we take our foot behind. Anytime we're taking off or across the floor, chasse, teach your dancers to hold a B+ position. How many times do we see the sickle back there? That foot needs to be beveled. They just need to be trained that heel presses in. Make a big difference on your dancers.